Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your girl Shawne here, coming to you live, indirect from my home office here in Boston, Mass. Excuse me. Today, I just want to shoot this quick video and share with you a tool that I have been using for quite some time now that has been very helpful in creating great graphics and content sometimes when we're looking for different things. So, the name of the tool is Stencil, Stencil. All right. It is actually a Google Chrome extension. As you can see, I'm on my Google Chrome web store. And so I already have it downloaded, but I wanted to come to you and I wanted to show you exactly where you would simply go to get this tool. Okay. So again, we're in the Chrome web store and you would just simply search for the store and just type in Stencil. Okay. You search and you'll see right here, folks, the very first one is the Google Chrome extension. And it says you can add text to any image, just right click. Okay. I mean, this tool is really simple and it's really only on your desktop. So, you know how you might be reading something or you're searching for something and you might come across a great quote that you just want to create right quick, or just, something that you want to share. You're reading something and it's a powerful point and you want to share it. This is a good way to create a simple graphic right from your desktop. You don't have to get out and do other things. You can do it right from here. Okay. So once you download it, you'll see that it'll be right up here. And you'll see the extension right here. It says Stencil. All right. So I just pulled up a website about some fun facts, and I just took this quote here. I'm gonna unhighlight it. The oldest your mom joke was discovered on a 3,500-year-old Babylonian tablet. All right. So let's just say I want to share that and I want to make it a picture quote. I just simply highlight this, and then all I'm going to do is just right click on my mouse, and you'll see it says create image with stencil. Click on that, and it's going to start to set things up. Now, with Stencil, you do have, there's a free version and a paid version. Okay. The With the free version, as you can see up here, you get 10 images per month. Okay. And then if you find that you use it a lot, you want more than that, then you can also hit the upgrade button. And you can clearly see for the pro, it's $9 a month, tells you everything you get with the images, so on and so forth. And then you have the unlimited plan, which is $12 a month. So that is entirely up to you if you would like to upgrade. If not, again, you get 10 images every month to use. All right. So as you can clearly see, the text that I highlighted is right here in this box. Now, I know it's a little plain. You may say, I want to add something to it. Great. I'm glad you're thinking that way. So let's kind of dive into it. As you can see over here on the left, we have photos. And you can see all the different photos that you have here. Now, you will see some that will have like a star to it. You see it like that, that you can actually star, if you want it to be your favorites. But as you can see, you simply click a picture and it puts that picture right over in the graphic. Okay. So you have tons and tons and tons of pictures. Now you'll see also, if you hover over the pictures, you'll see these that are locked. Okay. Those simply mean that those are part of the upgrade plan. You can click on it, but you won't be able to use it. You'll see it'll say upgrade to unlock. All right. So let's just go back to that free photo we had. Again, those little stars are, you can see certain ones that you like and you can just save them as your favorites. Okay. That's what that's for. You'll also see over here on the left is our icons. And so you can also put different icons. So let's just say we're in the month of November. I know we just got through Halloween, but let's just say you wanted to throw this pumpkin here. You can just take it, drag it, and put it right here in your post. You can size it up, make it bigger, make it smaller. The transparency, you can move it to the back if you wanted to. You can move it front. You can do all sorts of things um, with this tool. Okay, real simple. All right. And as you see, you scroll through here, there's tons and tons and tons of icons. All right. Now, we also have templates. So if you just decided that you wanted, this just this quote, but you want to use a different template, We simply click on it. We can remove the background as well. You can see it's gone. I can simply click on that and hit delete and it's gone. So let's just say you wanted to use this template. You click on it. It says try this template. Now it tells you that it says templates are for pro and unlimited accounts. Try up to 3 templates for free. You have 3 left. I've never used this feature, but again, if you have the upgraded version, then of course this would be free to you. But again, if you want to try it, you get 3 templates for free. You can click on it and go from there. Okay. And then there's also quotes. So let's just say that you want to create a quote, based off what's over here, okay? Then you can simply click that and bam, it will populate right in there. As you can see, I didn't delete the previous one, but you would see that it's right there, okay? So let's go back to, well, before we go there, let's go to uploads. You can also upload your own images. So you have pictures that you've taken yourself or just other pictures you might have gotten from another website. You can simply click upload those pictures here. You simply click upload images, find the picture that you would want to upload, and let's just say we did this one. Okay. You would simply just take that photo, upload its processing, and then what you could do is you could just double click and you could, let's see if I can do that again. Let's see if you can just drag it. You can drag it over, or you could just simply drag it over. Let's try this again. And you can kind of widen it out and do whatever you like. I know it looks a little distorted, but you can clearly see now. You may say, well, what about the text? Glad you asked. So you can take that text. Let's go back. Let's kind of move this back down a little bit. You take this text and you can simply go over to here where you have all of your information and just simply say move forward. Okay. And so now, as you can clearly see, it's in front of the picture. And again, you can play with this. You can do all sorts of things with it, all sorts of different things. You can, as you can see, you can do filters on it. You can blur it. You can even, if you click on the text, you can even change the text color. You see you have all sorts of options here. So feel free to kind of play with it if you want. Find the color that you like. You can even change the size. If you want to make it bigger, you want to make it smaller. You can do all sorts of things here, okay? Center it. You can bold it. You can do certain things, change that color, all of that. So this tool has been absolutely wonderful. Once you get it the way that you like it, you simply hit save, and now it's saved, and now you can share it on your social media sites. You can put it in your blog post if you're doing that. It doesn't matter. This is just another way. Over to the right, you can see where you can create a new image and tell you that it's unsaved. You can say yes, and then it gives you a blank image. Over here, you can simply click on that and you can add your own text if you wanted to create something. So you can just say, let's just say, click in here. Okay. And then again, you can highlight that. Didn't mean to do that. You can, again, highlight that. Excuse me. You can change the text color again. You can change the type style. You can do all sorts of different things here as well. All right. So that's the add text box. Then you have, let me see, your toggle focus mode and your toggle grid, and then you can also delete if you wanted to. But that is simply how you use Stencil. It is a great tool. You know, I don't use it that often. I use it sometimes, so having the 10 images is enough for me, because I use other things as well. But this is a great way if you see something you want to create, like I said, a quick graphic, this tool will do it. Free tool. If you want the free version, again, you can always upgrade. So I hope this video helped, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment below this video, and I'll be more than happy to answer it. Until the next video, guys. Peace.